I don't know why I'm making a video about this, but some poor guys like me decide they want to build their own table saw. As you can see there, just got it. A couple of screws holding it to it. That's all there is. This one is old table that clamps together like this. I replaced the boards on it. You know, I just cut out a place on it for the saw when I got the saw. Anyway, I normally just zip tie this down where it'll run, but for video purposes I cut it off. Anyway, some of you guys out there that's poor and less fortunate, come up hard. Here's your little something. And here, a dumb retarded neighbor. Must be on the liquor. Well, until next time, folks. Oh yeah, one more thing. Some guys wanted me to film my hammers. Dirty old hammers. Made them both. As you can see, one has been ate up by the worms. This one here is my new one. All out of oak. This here was just a piece of pallet. Still got the nails in it, they're just ground off smooth. Another 4-way special. See where the worms got into it. This one here, it's painted, so there shouldn't be anything getting into it. If there is, I'll treat it with something I know they won't touch. Anyway, this is another little stupid YouTube video. Peace out, people. It's on the deep.